morning everyone. I just got to Terminal 5. It's very early in the morning. I woke up at 3 o'clock and I haven't slept. I slept only for 2 hours. I'm very tired but very excited because I'm going home. I haven't been home for 2 years. I'm gonna vlog at the airport because I know you enjoy my airport vlogs, so I'll show you around. We'll compare the prices. I'm at Terminal 5, so all the luxury stores are here, and I think you'll enjoy this one. I'll show you my outfit in a bit. I'll go check in my luggage, and Louis is in the suitcase. I'm checking Louis in. I didn't have any space in my hand luggage to put him in, so my Louis Vuitton Petite Malle is in the suitcase. Hopefully they won't lose my suitcase because I'll die. Okay, I'm gonna go find a stranger and ask them to take a picture of me for my Instagram because I'm on my own. And I'll speak to you once I pass security. So yeah, alright, so I passed security and I'm in the shopping area. Literally in heaven. L'Occitane, perfumes, I can see Givenchy, Calvin Klein, Marc Jacobs, Jo Malone. They have a nice counter. I'm gonna go and try to find Tom Ford and see if their fragrances are a bit cheaper and if they have the new lavender one. I didn't see Tom Ford. Oh, here it is. But I saw Chanel. Where should I go first? Okay, let's check Tom Ford. So these are about 20% cheaper. This one is 170 and this one as well. And normally it's like 250 I think. But they don't have the lavender one unfortunately. This is the new summer collection. Let me swatch it for you.
Just one of them?
So this is the more goldeny shade, and they have this limited edition blusher as well in the palette. I love this fragrance. The Paris Venice one is beautiful. It smells so nice. And they have a shower gel as well. Guys, look what I found. Travel set with the Lilith cream, the serum, makeup stuff to remove your makeup, the lotion, and this gorgeous pouch, and it comes in the sublimage as well. But this one is more expensive. This one is £110 here. I'm tempted to get that. Did you guys see that little travel set in Chanel? It's so cute. I didn't buy it because I wanted to check out the boutiques first before I spend all my money on fragrances and makeup. So here now, look at Dior. And behind me is Chanel. Where should I go first? I'm gonna go to Dior. All the makeup is 20% off, by the way. So yeah, let's go in Dior and see what they have here and what are the prices, and then we'll go to Chanel. I'm excited for Chanel. Oh my god guys, look, this is velvet. How cute. Oh, and it's with crystals as well, the lock. And they have it in black as well. I love these. These are from the new collection. I love the gold detail. This color is beautiful, guys. Look, it's 18% cheaper if you're traveling outside the EU. I love this color. Not a fan of the bag that much, but the color is beautiful. how much is this one?
I will show it to you in a sec.
It is beautiful and the color is amazing.
Very elegant, but more for special occasions, I would say. Let me show you the price. Tax-free or full price?
I've been eyeing this bag for a while with the studs. What do you guys think? I keep hiding my face. Yeah, with the crystals. It's not even showing that well, but oh, that's adorable. Alright everyone, a quick update. Dior is 18% cheaper. Everything is 18% cheaper if you're traveling outside the EU. I'm not traveling outside the EU, so no discount for me. The prices are normal, unfortunately. But I have all these beautiful special edition bags, like the satin one with the crystals, the velvet ones I haven't seen, and the Montane bag, which actually it looks quite cute on. I'm not a huge fan of that bag yet. It might grow on me, but it reminds me of the Hermes Constance quite a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna go check Louis Vuitton now quickly, and then Chanel, and then I might have to go and catch my flight. So yeah. Oh, they have Cartier. I'll quickly go ask for the prices so I can tell you if it's cheaper. So I can use my Harrods card here
To collect points.
to collect points. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
How much is that
So
one?
here is 2708.
Okay, much cheaper.
Outside is 3250.
And the Cartier ring that I have is 700.
66. Yeah.
The small one. Guys, I have some amazing news for you. Cartier is 20% cheaper, no matter if you're traveling outside the EU or in the EU, and it's Cartier Harrods. So if you have Harrods card, you collect points as well. I wish I knew that earlier. So I was gonna buy my Cartier ring from the airport because I'm traveling the European Union, so I thought it wouldn't be any cheaper, but it is. And she said different stores have different rules. So some of the stores you can still use the discount even if you're traveling in the EU. Oh, I wish I knew that earlier. I was gonna save up for the Justin Clue because it's much cheaper here. But yeah, next time I'll know. So yeah. Alright, let's go see the prices in Gucci and compare them here and see what they have. I love these, the color is so beautiful. Quick update on Gucci. You get up to 20% no matter where you're traveling again. I can't believe this, guys. I just can't believe it. I thought the discounts were only if you're traveling outside the EU, and I just found out today that I could have bought so many things from the airport, 20% off. That's ridiculous. Alright, next, Louis Vuitton. Alright, so if you're traveling outside the EU, you get tax-free 17% off, 17 in Louis Vuitton. I love this box, the jewelry box. Look at these little cuties. Oh, I like these ones, but very high. Too high for me. I want a Louis Vuitton card. It's next on my wish list for winter. Oh, I like this jumper. Alright, there is also Hermes. I'm actually rushing now because I don't have time, but I'm gonna check the prices quickly for you because I know some of you might be interested in Hermes. Alright guys, 20% off if you're flying outside the EU. Look guys, they match my bag and I'm a 38 in these, so they run a bit small, half a size small. Alright everyone, so Hermes 20% off if you're traveling outside the EU. And now finally let's check Chanel. I don't have much time left, so let's have a look. So these are the classic ballerinas, 440. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want these. I'll ask if they have these in my size. Fingers crossed guys, I love them. Okay, let me do a quick outfit of the day in Chanel before they tell me off. Gucci sweatshirt, Dior earring, Dior bracelet, my Lady Dior, my Prada for traveling, plain H&M leggings, and my Louis Vuitton sneakers. Oh, look at this summery dress, so beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna buy some sweets for my friends and family. Laura would love these, they're with pistachio. Laura, you have to try these. Oh, so much chocolate. Oh god, Diva, I love these. Look at these beautiful boxes. Oh my god, can you hear the music? There is a music coming out of the box. Alright, I ended up getting some Godiva chocolates. Sofia and it's boarding. Oh my god, I have to hurry up. Oh my god, I'm rushing so much. I'm gonna speak to you in a bit because I don't want to miss my plane. I ended up buying something from Chanel. I'll show you it in a bit if I can. But yeah, let me go get on the plane first before I miss it. I'm running. I don't have my contacts and I can't see anything. I'm basically blind. I hope that one at the end is my one. Let me zoom in. Yeah, A10. That should be me. Alright everyone, so I'm about to board the plane and I couldn't show you what I got, but let me try and unbox some of the things. I bought 2 things. Oh, I might need both hands. Okay, so I got this. It'll be easier if I insert a separate clip so you can see, but alright, so first I picked up this from the beauty section. It's a blusher, limited edition blusher. I think it's online exclusive, but they had it at the airport, so I picked that up. And alright, so I quickly unboxed these because I'm literally about to go. I think I'm the last one, so quickly I'm gonna show you. I picked up a pair of sunglasses. I love these. How cool. Let me try them on. Do you guys like them? I love the pearl detail. So cute, and they're with like grey lens. Alright, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully it was informative for some of you who are traveling from Terminal 5. Terminal 5 has the best shopping and the best boutiques or the big brands. So yeah, okay, I'm going now. I'm gonna leave you and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.